going into Walmart.
We're gonna be burping. I'm gonna be burping around unsuspecting individuals. So I got a request a while back to just see me just walk around a store or a mall or something and burp around random people. And so we went to Walmart. So, let's do it. It actually really surprised me how many people just wouldn't react. They didn't even move when I walked by and burped. Oh, goodness.
I guess we just have to see it.
Hold on, I'll get it. After a while, the workers, you could tell that they were onto us because there was like 3 who kept hovering around us, seeing if they could help us, but they were just trying to kick us out. Excuse me. Finally, somebody caught us our camera, and she kind of freaked out, and we had to leave then.
Oh, you are not allowed to video record.
So, apparently they're pretty strict about not having cameras in a store, because this chick really, well, she didn't really yell, but she was quite certain that we were not allowed to have a camera. So, at least we got what we did. So, it was a pretty nice adventure.